Empire Hotel. So what I'm hoping is I can give you a little tour of the hotel, the Empire Hotel. This is our room here, room 10. All got different names, I think they're all Welsh names. So I'll show you the sauna, pool, steam room first. Okay, so from our room just here, you walk along the corridor and you come to slightly bigger foyer. The stairs to go up there. There's an emergency exit here, which leads to car park at the back. Stairs to go down there, and then if we just come over here, and if anybody in here won't be able to film, obviously, you come in here, and you have a nice gym. Treatment room just here, because it's a spa as well. So you have quite a nice gym, lots of running machines down the back, weights, no free weights obviously. And then here you have the beauty rooms, ladies changing rooms in here, but there isn't anybody in here, so we're okay to go in. And a toilet just here. Back through the curtain. And then here we have the pool. Should we go down? Yeah, let's go down. Men's changing rooms there. Running machines with TVs there. It's a grey day today. That's just a view, that's Church Walks there, Grand Hotel, you can see it just there. This is like the side of the hotel. There's another car park down there. And then if you come through this door, you've got a little seating area just here. And then into B. So you've got a little, it's not a jacuzzi because there's no bubbles. I think there were bubbles at one time, but obviously if they advertise it as a jacuzzi, it's going to be false advertising. So you've got a little sitting warm area there. And you've got the main pool here, and it's a depth of 1.2 metres, I think, so it's not deep, but you can swim. I kind of was doing some lengths yesterday morning up and down. And then over here you have a sauna, which I've never been in, and here you have a steam room, and you just control it yourself, pressing that button, and then back wall, another button there. Back to the corridor. Our room's just down there, and if you come up here, you have a little outside area just here, but you have an outdoor pool, which in the summer, we did come in the summer, it's lovely. You can sit out here, there's lots of chairs. We would love that house. We're going to buy it one day. And then here is the Great Orme. So yeah, that's the outdoor pool, which is nice to come to in the summer. Empire Hotel. Lovely. So you've got one floor down there, then you've got this floor here, and you've got another couple of floors up there. You've got elevators which take you to every room. I don't think the elevators take us to the spa. I'm just going to go downstairs now. From our room, we're on the first floor. So you come back down the opposite way to the spa, and then this leads down into the foyer. Just show you. right here. So you go for breakfast and evening dinner. Hi. And then this is the door that leads you out onto the street. So very rainy today. And there is, camera's not really picking up, but there's the sea. Let's see if I can zoom in. Can you see? Yeah, there's the sea, and that's where the pier is. And this morning there is as well. Now, morning. Hey.
Right.
Yes, fine, thank you. There's a marathon going on, so all this road's going to be closed. You have got parking wise, you've got parking here at the front. Then, oh, just treading something very wet. And then at the side, you've got car parking here, which you can double up on. Another car park there. And then coming back the other way. And then if you just come down this street, you have got parking just to the side here, which is where we parked. And then at the back, around the corner, you've got some underground parking, and that's the back of the Orme again, is the tram stop, but that's seasonal, so that's stopped now because it is November. Foyer again. And then this is the lounge, and they have entertainment on weekends. Piano Man on a Friday, disco in here on a Saturday night. Side, which is the sea. Again, that's the front of the hotel. Morning joggers just going out there. Good on them. And you've got another little bar area here. Quite a well-stocked bar. Lots and lots of comfy settees, as you can see. Another room here. Oh, never been in here before. Oh, it's another little seating area. It's quite nice. Oh, I think it's because this door here, mini two apartments there, 2-bedroomed apartments. So the rooms here are singles, doubles, twins, and then we have some little, don't know if I can show you through this window. There's this building here at the hotel apartments. I just love the chandeliers here. It's just beautiful chandeliers everywhere. Look at these as well. And here is where, so on a night time you can come and have dinner, and you can sit, watch people in the pool, which is open from 7:30 till 9 o'clock on a night time. That's quite nice. So yeah, if you come to Llandudno, I would definitely stay here. Room rates are about £70 per person per night ish. Single rooms obviously slightly more, but yeah, lovely place. More gorgeous chandeliers there. So yeah, Empire Hotel, definitely. So this is a room tour of room 10 of the Empire Hotel. Entrance. Right behind the door you have a little wardrobe area. No extra blankets, we noticed, but in the other room there were. You've got ironing board and iron, lots of drawers, hairdryer, towels in there for the spa. You've got a mini fridge just here with all your milk, tea, coffee facilities, tea bags, biscuit tub, DVD player, room safe, a sewing kit and a shoe kit if you want, tea towel, and then in here you have the bathroom, so sink, and this is checking out day, so this is the room as we're leaving it, not when we first come in. Got a nice big mirror on the wall there, lovely magnifying mirror that lights up, so great for putting your makeup on. Toilet obviously, and complimentary robes here, and a nice shower, nice large shower in the tub in the bath. And then out of here, come into the main room. So you've got, this is meant to be a double room, but we had 2 single beds put together, but that was fine. Really comfortable beds, hypnos beds, nice. One of the lovely chandeliers which are all over the hotel. And you have the desk here with all the hotel blurb and all that sort of stuff. Samsung TV in the room. Case, what are these called? Case holders. Yeah, I think there was a proper name for them. Don't know. Little seating area for 2. Another little lantern light. View's not great, as there's a side view. So that's just a little car park there. But we are on the side of the hotel, and that's the main street there. Another car park around the corner there, and the Orme, just to get your bearings. Just get my head back in. Little settee here, with a big mirror on the wall there, and yeah, there's a room tour. Nice room. What would you say? Too hot?
It's got aircon.
It's got aircon, but we did find it really, really hot. I don't know. I'm sure it was hot last time, but that was summer. But the whole hotel is hot. But yeah, aircon works a treat. So yeah, Empire Hotel would definitely stay again.